You can see all that water. Oh, uh-oh, I didn't like that noise. All right, I got this Craftsman push mower off Facebook for 50 bucks. Can't get it to run. So it'll run off carb clean, but that's about it. It doesn't look too bad in there. I've never worked on one of these Kohler engines, so it's kind of interesting. This choke linkage here, that all moves, which is nice. Okay, so that's off. Okay, that's that. I try to be careful of it. Okay, so that just goes in just like that. I don't even know if I had to take that off. Okay. So. Yeah, there's a there's a lot of water in it. That's weird. Very strange. I wonder if it's just full of water. Yeah, I wouldn't do that. Okay. Yeah, you can see all the water coming out of it. Jeez. That's wild. See that? Hopefully you can see right now. Oh, okay. Sorry. It's recording the ground apparently, I think. So yeah, lots of water, rust, but it's not bad. You guys like my kitchen gloves? Oh. So the main jet and the emulsion tube came out in one. Yeah, there's a decent amount of rust in there. I doubt you can see it, but it's kind of like no threads at all showing on the idle screw. That's important for later. You want to pop this guy out. Oh, we don't want to lose that. Keep that in there. There's that jet, and that's pretty much it. Clean it off, clean it out. Should be good to go. You can see all that water. That definitely wouldn't help it. All right, let me. Okay, so this bolt is in very bad shape. I'm gonna try to get this off so we don't completely destroy that. But yeah, you can see she's rough. Put the whole thing in there, it's fine. Alright, we'll be back. Yeah. I could probably use some more time, but yeah. We should be able to get the rest of that with fine steel wool. So as you can see, the bowl has turned black. That's just what happens to bare metal with that rust remover stuff. So there we go. Easy. Okay, yeah, we definitely need to hurry up because it is actually raining. Okay, so that. Then take this. Cat hair. or me hair or dog hair or something. Oh, uh-oh. I didn't like that noise. I shouldn't have. Why did I go crazy at that? That was stupid. Don't do that. I might have just screwed something up. No, it's in there, so we're gonna leave it. Okay, so then float needle, pin for that. And we gotta track down our gasket. Go ahead and put that in there. Sometimes they kind of fight you after being out for a bit. You gotta be careful. Make sure it's seated properly. You want to tighten those up pretty good, I find. Just, I really hope I got that clean enough. And then this was only protrude, I don't know, whatever that word is. Just a little bit on either side. Maybe there. We'll call that good.